YouTube? This is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative. Welcome to my channel. Glad to see you guys are coming back. I am here with a Dollar Tree, well, a couple with the Dollar Tree hauls that hadn't had a chance to get up on my channel. But some are still in the bag, so I'm just gonna, you hear ruffle out. Apologize for the sound. Picked up some more ribbon. No, God knows I don't need any more, but it's gorgeous. I just love the buffalo plaid, and I just like those plaids, so I had to get them. I know. Got some envelopes for some mini slim lines. You know, these are the right size, the number 6. So got those, and then just to organize some stuff, some of the little zippered seal bags to put some things in. 40 pack. I got more like a lot of organizing stuff. Some padded envelopes for those. The 6x9s, 2 of the 8.5x11 padded envelopes, and then 3 of the whatever size these are. They're not 12x12. I think it's 11x14. So the same. And I know you guys see them. These are the cushy melons. I just hate, you cannot, I don't need things. They just smear. You have to let them dry, blah, blah, blah. And I'm always at the post office right now, filling them out, and I always smear it. You would think by now I know that, but no, I still do it every single time. Oh my gosh. Bad. Sorry about the ruffling. Trying to get all this extra stuff out. Trying to have space. Okay. Picked up some more of the iridescent beads. They've got them in pink and green. They've been out for a while in purple since last year, but I ended up getting this size. These are the small ones. We used to have like the little bigger ones, or the clear ones, but looks like it's got the little tiny ones. Like I said, they have the other colors. These been out too. So I just picked some up this time. I don't know what made me do it. They've been out for the last year or 2. But the mini glass containers, you know, just to look up fatty and stuff like that and sequence in. Sorry about the sound. Some more little treat sacks. Just a goodie bag. Oh, and these I got to alter. Of course, you can always play checkers with your kid with those. Oh, another bag of those, or 3 bags of those, I guess, because I went 2 weeks. I forgot. So they had some sequins, which that's nothing new, but they had different size sequins than they normally have. So if you look, this is the size they normally have, and now they have the mini sequence. So I did get it in each color, even though I already had the large ones. But I went on, actually I think I've had the small ones too, to be honest. I can't remember. But anyway, they were both out at the same time, which made me really notice, did I not? I know I've had the large ones, but I swear I think I might have had these small ones too. I don't know, but I said, get them while you can. Just in case you're wrong. So that's both sizes. This is a different brand of the streamers, and this is a different shade of red. And yes, you know I pay attention to my shades of red. So this is different than the other red that I've had before that they traditionally have with the other brand. So, or different packaging or something, but this is not the ones they usually have. And this yellow or mustard gold, I want to say like a golden color, is a different color than the other yellow, because I put them to the backs to double check. So they were different. They also had these in purple, green, and the black. They kind of look like the same that were in the other coloring, but these two definitely were different. And have pink too. They didn't have all the colors, but they had maybe 6. But when I looked at them, compared them to the other one, because they still had the other set, these were near the actual plates and the hats and the party decorations, where in my stores we have so many streamers, they usually have them the whole little row because they got all the solid colors, or they may have them next to the paper napkins and the plates hanging up in the tablecloth. But we also had like the printed ones with happy birthday, you know, baby on board, all the different ones with the printed ones, graduation, stuff like that. So they have a whole row of that, all the crepe stuff. But these were on a separate row with not the paper plates, even though they had paper plates on it, but it was more like the girl birthday party stuff and the boy birthday party stuff. So again, a new brand to my store, but by this video's up, it's a couple weeks old. So but anyway, so I got those colors because they were different. And oh, I did get these Lion King. They had a whole bunch of different cartoon what do you call them, movies with the large cards. They had a lot of Disney movies. And of course, you can use these to play cards, or you can use these to alter. And so, of course, that's what I would do with them. But you know, I like the color of the Lion King. But it was like 6 different cartoons. It was I know they had Harry Potter, but I don't do Harry Potter. But there's a whole bunch of other ones that were maybe Disney. I can't even think of now. But you check them out, you'll see them. And then they had the regular ones too. The regular, just regular cards. And then they had the mini. Well, I had these in silver. So I couldn't, every time I tried to get a gold one, somebody would be getting them or they were out. So I got them in gold. And they had the mini in the black and white. And you know I was excited when I saw these. And okay, I have the large in the red. Where is that at? Oh, what to say? No, I just got them because, you know, they red. And it's so hard to find red. Even during Valentine's, the red was, they didn't have these out, the small ones. I didn't see them. I saw the metallic ones, but not the matte ones. And these kind of match some of the pencils and straws that I had. Not the pencils, but the straws. And of course these match the bags, and they got a whole line of these stuff to go with these. So anyway, that is my haul. So thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care, God bless, bye bye.